Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring on a unique and cultural journey as we explore the stunning Basilica Church right here in Punta Cana. This hidden gem holds not only religious significance, but also captivates tourists with its fascinating history and breathtaking architecture. So, let's dive right in. Our journey begins with the exterior of the Basilica. Standing tall and majestic against the tropical backdrop of Punta Cana, this church is a remarkable example of Gothic architecture, featuring intricate details that immediately catch the eye. As we walk closer, notice the detailed facades adorned with ornate carvings and sculptures, showcasing the craftsmanship of the local artisans. The Basilica's architecture combines elements of Gothic and Renaissance styles, creating a unique and visually striking structure. The giant door is made of silver and gold. Along with the door is adorned with intricate details, telling the stories of the church's history and providing a stunning welcome to visitors. Now, let's step inside and discover the wonders within. The interior of the Basilica is equally impressive, with its high vaulted ceilings and stunning stained glass windows that filter the warm Caribbean sunlight. The ambiance inside is serene and tranquil, providing a peaceful retreat for both locals and visitors. This basilica holds significant religious importance for the local community, as it serves as a place of worship for the predominantly Catholic population in Punta Cana. Pilgrims and believers often visit to partake in religious ceremonies and find solace in the spiritual atmosphere. Now, let's delve into the history that makes this basilica a must-visit destination. The construction of the church began in 1512 and ending in 1540. It has undergone various renovations and expansions, each preserving the essence of its rich history. Over the years, it has become a symbol of faith and resilience for the community. Beyond its religious significance, the basilica also attracts tourists due to its strategic location. Situated in the heart of Punta Cana, visitors can explore the surrounding area, discovering local markets, charming cafes, and soaking in the vibrant culture of this tropical paradise. As we conclude our journey through the Basilica in Punta Cana, it's clear that this architectural marvel is not just a religious site, but a cultural treasure that beckons travelers from around the world. So, whether you're a history enthusiast, an architecture lover, or simply seeking a serene escape, the Basilica in Punta Cana is a destination that should be on your travel itinerary. The Basilica Church, full name Basílica Catedral Nuestra Señora de la Altagracia, holds a religious pilgrimages every year on January 21st. The Dominican Republic celebrates the Feast of Our Lady of Altagracia. Pilgrims from all over the country gather at the Basilica during this time, making it a significant religious pilgrimage site. Thank you for exploring the majestic Basílica Catedral Nuestra Señora de la Altagracia in the heart of the Dominican Republic with us today. If you found this journey through history and architecture intriguing, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with fellow enthusiasts, and subscribe for more captivating insights into cultural landmarks. Hasta luego.